They have arrived. The all-new Losi Gravedigger LMT 2.0 Monster Jam trucks are here at Fast Eddie's. I'm going to get this one out of the box and tell you all about it. So while I get this out of the box, I'll let you know that this does come ready to run, which means it's fully assembled, has all the electronics, and it includes the radio. It does not include the battery or charger, but this does come in at a whopping $749.49. So $750 for this massive 8-scale monster truck. As I said, this thing is massive. It's a full 1/8 scale. It does come completely assembled, ready to go. It's available in 2 different liveries. You've got the Gravedigger here and the Son of a Digger. Now keep in mind, this is not available for sale in our stores until April 17th. Starting up front, looking here, you can see these are the officially licensed BKT tires. Up front is the S680 servo. It is a Metal Gear servo, and one thing that I'm really liking that Spectrum is doing now, they're changing these out to a 25-tooth servo. They do have all new axles, both front and rear. It's a heavy-duty 2-piece axle set, which is an improvement over the 1.0. And just like before, they have 2 shocks on every corner. For the body on this, it's a flip-forward design. To get the body off, all you do is you turn a little cam lever in the back here. And then on each side, there is a body clip that will then allow you to take the body and flip it forward to get easy access to everything underneath. Here at the battery tray, you do have your battery strap, which is captive in there, so you don't have to worry about losing that. I do like this because it's that rubberized material, so it just stretches over and hooks over there. This is capable of running 2 to 4S. Hey, right here is a Spectrum 130 amp ESC running the IC5 connector. This connector does integrate with your smart batteries. It will give you feedback information to your controller, which we'll talk about more in a second. Looking closely past that aluminum painted frame, you do have the Spectrum 2800 kV 4-pole motor. Looking closely inside of the truck, you do see the detailed cage, and they do put a driver figure in there, which kind of sets it off for some realism. What sets this truck apart from the original version is the receiver that's right here under that receiver box. It is an all-new Spectrum 6-channel receiver that then binds to your new DX3 controller. So your controller comes with that receiver, and what makes this system so special, it now includes what Spectrum is calling their drive system. So DRIVE stands for Dynamic Responsive Intelligent Vehicle Envelope. And what that means is that you do have a freestyle mode that's available on this truck. So what is the DRIVE freestyle mode? It's simple. Just right here on the controller, by selecting this lever up and down, you can go between different modes. The freestyle mode has some technology in there that helps you maintain your wheelies, stoppies. It also helps maintain your bicycle. You do have some choices in what mode you're going to drive in. It's not always freestyle. You can go in unlimited mode and have complete control of this truck. The true test is to get this out there on the dirt and test it out, which we're going to do right now. Here's a little size comparison for you. We've got the mini LMT Gravedigger right on top. That's a 1/18 scale. And then the one we're looking at today, the 1/8 scale LMT 2.0.